Greetings, this is Nick St. Ern, and today we're going to make a green sauce for eggs from a medieval recipe. You may have a lot of leftover Easter eggs or other hard-boiled eggs, and you want something to put on them to make them tasty. Well, this medieval recipe comes from the Society of Creative Anachronists magazine, The Complete Anachronist, and it is a medieval cookery primer, a programmed approach by Jeff Barry. The recipe says, green sauce. Take parsley, mint, garlic, a little serpel and sage, a little cannelle, ginger, pepper, wine, bread, vinegar, and salt. Grind it small with saffron and mess it forth. You also need some thyme. Go over here. See this? Basil, that's right, oregano. This one is thyme. I got a couple different kinds of thyme as well. So we'll just get some sprigs of thyme. This is English thyme. Here's some German thyme. It's got some flowers on it. I don't want to disturb the flowers, but I'll take a couple sprigs of the German thyme, put it with the English thyme, make it a very European dish. The proper new book of cookery also uses some chives. So I'm going to go ahead and get some chives here too. Depends on which recipe book you're using. The Form of Curry doesn't use chives, but I certainly like chives. So, put some chives among our greens. Here's more sage. This one's called garden sage. It's a smaller leaf. I'll throw a little bit of that in there too. The other ingredient is mint. Got sweet mint and peppermint. This one is growing pretty well, so I'm gonna take the peppermint, take some of that, collect some mint. I like the mint, so I'm going to put a lot of mint in it, make it more like a mint jelly. Okay, garlic, chives, thyme, mint, sage, parsley, salt, pepper, ginger, cinnamon, vinegar, breadcrumbs, saffron, white wine, and we're going to make a green sauce for our Easter eggs. Started making the sauce by grinding the garlic cloves in a mortar with the pestle. Probably should have just used one garlic clove. Then add the green ingredients and grind them up using the wine and vinegar to make a solution as they're ground up. Keep working it to get the coarse greens ground, and then add all the other spices. Probably less cinnamon and less ginger would have been good as well. And it finally ended up as a nice, smooth sauce that could be poured onto the eggs. It tasted really good. This version was a little bit garlicky, a little bit spicy, but the green flavor came out really well. So I would recommend lots of greens, less garlic, less cinnamon and ginger, and you should have a very nice green sauce for spring use for your Easter eggs. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please be sure to watch my other videos and be sure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.